All right, so I did the first part of the unboxing and I didn't realize my camera wasn't on. So I looked over and I'm like, oh, it's not recording. Lovely. Anyway, this is from Wholesale Supply Plus, in case you didn't recognize the iconic egg crate packing. And this is part of their new collection. So we have Mahogany Balsam, Cinnamon Sugar Brulee, FabBoolus. I've got it. That's amazing. And Winterberry Prosecco. Okay. All right. Let's give these a little snifferdoodle here. See what we got. I'm going to start off with the Winterberry one because that sounds super. Oh, wow. This smells like what it actually smells like to me, and I don't know if it's gonna soap like this. It's gonna sound really silly. It smells like the punch, like that really good fruity punch that like would get served at like weddings and fancy events to the kids that wasn't alcoholic. And that's what that smells like to me. It smells good. It smells really good. It's fruity, it's effervescent, it's nice. I could not get that out of my head. So I like it. This is the FabBoolus. Let's give it a sniff. Ooh. Okay, so this one's a lot creamier, spicier. It's got that really nice, subtle sweater weather, cozy notes of oud. Maybe like the barest hint of something kind of mint, kind of herbally. I like that. I like that a lot. The vanilla in it, though, unfortunately, is 3.3%, so that might be a little dark. Mahogany Balsam. Oh my God, this is fantastic. This is one that, wow. I'll need to get my husband in here to sniff this one because this one's really, really nice. And has basically no vanilla in it, so it should behave. It is very, very traditional men's or masculine scented, woodsy, earthy, piney, sexy. It's super. I really like this one. So far, this one's absolutely my favorite out of the bunch. And Cinnamon Sugar Brulee. Also got a decently high vanilla, which is normal. Whew, that is sweet, sweet, sweet. I like it. I don't tend to like bakery scents. They're not always my jam. I know a lot of people like them. I like them in candles and I like them in wax melts. I don't tend to like them in soap. But that all being said, I would love my house to smell like this. This smells really, really good. I don't know if it's a soaping scent for me, but I could absolutely make this into a wax melt or a candle. I'm going to soap with it anyway just to see what it does, but ooh, that is good. All right, let me get some batches together here and some plans. I've got some really fun things planned for these, especially for this little FabBoolus fragrance oil. And stay tuned. I'll be back in a little bit.